right now, as you're watching this video, something in your body is attacking your own cells, not a virus, not a bacteria, not a parasite. Your own body is producing it every second. They are called free radicals. One of the hidden reason behind aging, fatigue, chronic disease, and in worst case, cancer. And you know the surprising part is you can't completely stop them. They are a natural part of being alive. The main question is not to remove them. The main question is how to stop them to multiply. Because if they become too many, they begin damaging your own body from inside, often silently for years. That's why you will notice some disease, some problems, some sickness, it comes without any previous sign. It is all because these free radicals, they hit you silently. So today our topic is on this free radicals. By end of this video, you will exactly understand what these free radicals are, how they are produced, how you can stop them to multiply so you don't get sick, and the most importantly, what you can do every day to neutralize them. Let's understand this in the simplest way possible. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. Sometimes we do so many practices from outside, but inside nothing changes. And that's why the knowledge is very important. You must know what give you sickness, what is happening inside you. And today's video is focused on that. Silent killer which lives in you, which is produced by your own body and you never know. So the first question, what are these free radicals? Let's understand with one example. Imagine you are sitting in one big room with another 100 people around you. Everyone is silent and suddenly one angry person enters the room and slaps one. The person who is slapped by that angry person becomes angry suddenly and he slapped the another one, then the another one, and that chain continues. Silent room became chaotic now. Anger is spread everywhere. And this is exactly how these free radicals behave inside your body. Scientifically, a free radical is simply a molecule that is missing one electron, and due to which it becomes unstable. And when it becomes unstable, it steals the electron from nearest healthy cell. Now that healthy cell became unstable because one electron is gone from it. So that steals the electron from the another healthy cells. Then another, then another. A small problem suddenly becomes a chain reaction. One unstable molecule damage many healthy molecules before your body stopped it. And this process in science called oxidative stress. You don't need to remember these scientific names. Just remember one thing. One unstable molecule in your body creates many unstable molecules. Same like one angry person in the family creates so many angry people around them, so many jealousy, so much negative energy. Now the question arises, from where these free radicals are coming, where they are produced. And you might think, if they are so dangerous, why does my body make them again and again? You know the answer is because it is a natural part of the life. Understand? Every second, your body is producing the energy. Whether you are breathing, you're walking, you're thinking, watching me, digesting the food, every second your body is producing energy. Think of a car engine. It produces the energy. It helps car to move forward. At the same time, it also create exhaust. It also produce exhaust. Car doesn't stop because it produces the exhaust. You keep driving because exhaust goes out. Simply make sure that this exhaust doesn't become excessive. Your cells works the same way. They create energy and these free radicals are the exhaust. And then there are external factors that increase them even more when you are smoking. When you are living in a polluted place, too much sunlight, when you are drinking so much alcohol, when you are eating highly processed or high fried food, when you get chronic stress, when you're depressed, when you are in anxiety, mental instability, they are the good environment for these free radicals to multiply. Even exercising too intensively Practicing yoga asana too intensively without repairing yourself, without getting a proper recovery, also becomes a good environment for these free radicals to grow. And that's how your body gets sick. Maybe from inside, you may not notice this easily, but once it comes, you don't have idea from where I'm getting sick. Question comes, what damage these free radical cause in my body? Imagine you buy a brand new cycle and you left it outside every day under the rain. Nothing happens in the first day, not even the second, but after a month, rust slowly appears. It makes the iron metal weaker. Free radical damage is very similar. It doesn't destroy your body over the night. It slowly accumulates, and slowly, one day, suddenly some sickness comes. Or if you have this environment which I mentioned earlier, it grows these free radicals even faster. That's why I always recommend practice yoga every day. Practice pranayama every day. That the pranayama is the best way to get rid of these free radicals or to keep them neutralized. I have made a many detailed video how to keep this free radicals neutralized. Recently I made one video of left nostril breathing. You can check, link in description. You can also join my online pranayama course, which will help you to make your body healthy from inside. And you can join me asana live every morning. We are practicing to keep the body healthy. Pranayam link, which is called Pran Aram, a perfect routine for you to do pranayam every day. 13 pranayam there, which has a strong impact on your body in order to keep you healthy. Come on mat and practice every day. Learn these techniques properly. As I said, this is called oxidative stress when these free radicals are growing inside your body, which you may not notice easily. And scientists have linked long-term oxidative stress with condition like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, neurodegenerative disease like Parkinson, Alzheimer's, and certain cancers also, and visible signs of aging like wrinkles and reduced skin elasticity. I want to be clear here. Free radicals alone do not cause these diseases. Health is influenced by many factors: your poor sleep, your genetics, your nutrition, your physical activity, your environment, and many more. Oxidative stress considered as important contribution factor. But the beautiful part is you can influence that too. Let's understand how your body protects yourself. Body is incredibly intelligent. It has its own defense system, and these defenders are called antioxidants. Imagine a bodyguard is standing between two people before they fight. Instead of allowing fight to spread, bodyguard steps in and end the conflicts immediately. And that exactly antioxidants do. That's why it is recommended to intake those antioxidants products in your body, which can work as a bodyguard. So what they do? So as I said before, the molecule doesn't have an electron, right? So these antioxidants donate extra electron to molecules, so that instability is gone. Everything comes in a pair without becoming unstable themselves. So the chain reactions stop. The good part is that your own body produces these antioxidants naturally. But some people, in some case, because of the stress, because of the life, how you are living, because of not having enough exercise, the body is weaker. Your body stops producing these antioxidants. That's why we tell people to eat a certain food so that these antioxidants you can intake from outside. Otherwise, your free radicals will again become unstable. How you can support the defense system? First, eat colorful fruits and vegetable every single day. Nature uses color as a sign, a different protective compounds. Blueberries, spinach, tomatoes, carrots, orange, berries. The more natural color will be on your plate, the greater variety of antioxidants you will receive. Secondly, use antioxidant rich herbs and spices such as turmeric, green tea, cinnamon, cloves. Reduce unnecessary source of free radicals. How? Avoid smoking. Limit alcohol intake. Reduce highly processed food. Stop eating too much fried food or too much from outside. Don't burn your food every day. Sometimes some people, they make a food at night and the morning time they again keep frying them. They are silent attacker and support to your free radicals which are present already in your body. Fourth, manage your stress. Sleep properly every night. I have made a detailed video for sleep, link in description. Learn and practice every day before you go to bed. Long-term stress, long-term insomnia, sleeping increases oxidative stress, and that is invitation for these free radicals to grow, to become unstable and to make whole body unstable. Take good sleep. Do meditation. Practice asana, practice pranayama every day. One breathing I want to tell you. Practice every day anulom, vilom, pranayama if you want these free radicals to not to grow or not to be unstable. Practice left nostril breathing every day. Take cold shower. These are my recommendation for you so your body remains healthy. Health is not created by one miracle. It is created by thousands of small steps every single day. Every day your body experiences damage. So every day you have to go for recovery. If you don't do, then it's a big problem. You can't stop free radicals completely. They are part of life. Like I said, main is that you need to make sure that this exhaust is not accumulated a lot to disturb the whole engine. So try all my recommendation, practice everyday yoga and keep these free radicals under control. Keep them neutralized. If you like this video, share this with others. Share this awareness to many people and help them also to live a healthy life. I'll see you again in next video. Namaste.